Let me show you how to turn a simple potato into the crispiest, most satisfying potato cake with just a few ingredients and your air fryer doing all the work. Start with one large potato, grate it into a bowl, add one egg to bind everything together, a spoon of barbecue seasoning for that smoky kick, half a spoon of starch for extra crispness, some chopped green onions for freshness, and a drizzle of oil to help it all crisp up. Mix it with your hands. You want every strand coated. Press the mixture into your air fryer basket, keeping it thin and even. At 170 degrees for 15 minutes. The magic happens. The outside turns golden and crackling crisp while the inside stays tender and perfectly cooked. That first bite gives you everything. The shadow of the crust, the softness inside, and that smoky aroma that makes you forget this is just humble potato. This isn't just a side dish, it's a textural masterpiece that proves simple ingredients can be extraordinary.